Hello, in this Click Engine review and demo, we're going to talk about what the Click Engine is, how it works, and show some proof that it does work. First, welcome to my channel. After you watch this video, come back and take a look at some of the other videos I have on my channel that show how to make money online, different strategies, techniques that I use, as well as some of the training and programs that help me make money online. I'd love to get up to at least 1,500 or 2,000 subscribers, so if you don't mind, subscribe if you like the channel so you can stay up to date with information. All right, let's jump into this video. So what are we going to cover in this video? Make sure you stay to the end because we're going to be talking about, first of all, what exactly is the Click Engine and how it works, but also then we're going to talk about does it work? So not just how does it work, but actually does it work? And then how you can make money with using the Click Engine. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you proof as well about it. So let's jump right in. Let's go over to the Click Engine sales page. Everything is basically explained in this video. So when you go to the sales page, you do need to watch the video. It's very short. I want to say it's only 3 minutes or so. I can't remember. It's really pretty much to the point. And then there's not a lot more other than on the sales page other than some testimonials, some bonuses that you'll get about other traffic and email techniques, etc. And then some other testimonials. And so that's really, it's pretty much a straightforward sales page. Everything that you need to know is more or less contained in this video. And so what is it? The Click Engine essentially is a way to get access to 100% real buyer traffic for your offers. Okay? That's it in a nutshell. And what happens is if someone joins the Click Engine, that means they've purchased the Click Engine for $4.90 a month. It is a monthly subscription. Then you're going to be able to access the buyers of the Click Engine to be able to show them your offers. Here on the sales page, if you click this yellow banner, you can see some of the offers that members of the Click Engine are running, and we'll take a look at those in a little bit. So once you join, then what you do is you submit your offer URL to Jeff Ammon, who runs the Click Engine, and then he puts it into his rotator. And now you're in the mix of being in the rotation of being able to have your offer seen. And how that happens is he sends out a daily email that looks essentially something like this. And in the email, he may talk about some other things, but the bottom line is, he'll have a couple of these black boxes where you click on it, and that will click on the rotator, and an offer will be seen. And so that's how you get in front of all the buyers inside of Click Engine. Well, how many buyers is that, you may be asking? Let's go over to Warrior Plus, where Jeff sells the Click Engine, and here you can see the Click Engine, get 100% real buyer traffic. To date, he's had over 5,000 buyers, 5,000 sales. So you're getting access to thousands of other buyers from the Click Engine to take a look at your offer, okay? So this isn't, going out to dozens of people or hundreds of people. This is literally going out to thousands of people. Now, not all 5,000 are going to necessarily open the email and click it every day, but a pretty good percentage will, okay? And so there's very good chance you're going to be seen. And you'll see that here in just a second, okay? So let's go and take a look at what this works for, okay? Because if we go back, what is a Click Engine? Talked about it. You're going to put your offer URL into a rotator, and then the daily email that goes out will get clicked on, usually multiple times, and so your offer will be seen. So does it work? Well, it does work if you have the right offer. That's very important, okay? Let's go and look. So if you get the email and you click on it, or if you're on the sales page and you click here, you're going to start seeing offers come up. And here's a few examples. So you want to keep this really works best in the make money online niche. And you want to have, ideally, a free offer to give away. Because these are people that are looking for maybe other opportunities, other strategies to learn and earn online. Okay, they're not really necessarily looking to buy, even though they are buyers. Ultimately, what you want to do is get them on your email list so that you can follow up with them, send them things that they may want to purchase. Or once they join your email list, you maybe have a nice upsell offer or two after they opt in that they may purchase. So this is pretty good. We want to keep your opt-in pretty much simple and to the point. This one's pretty good as well. Here's another offer you might see. This one's a little kind of old looking. So you want to have a nice clean. Now this is a system. You will see lots of these different systems that people are selling, and some people are attracted to those. And so this may work. Here's a free report that they're giving away. Here's another, pretty clean, simple, to the point, making money from your phone. So that's what you want, something to the point. And here's an example of something that you don't want, right? So this is like a business funding opportunity. People are not going to put in their first, last name, phone number, all that. You're asking them to create an account. They're not going to most likely do that. So this is probably not a very good offer for this type of thing. Again, here's another system. Again, pretty, straightforward and to the point. So some people may be interested in that. Here's another good example of probably not what to use, okay? Top Deals Network. So obviously they're just trying to sell things, okay? Probably not going to work real well. So not probably a good offer for this type of traffic. Again, here's something, they're trying to use this free from Traffic Builder. I get it. Free is nice, but, you kind of got this button. You're not sure where it goes. And so you're a little limited on what exactly people are going to do with this. Probably not, again, a great offer. Same thing here. Not really a very good offer. So I think you kind of get the idea, right? Now, let's go back and talk about, so we talked about what is a click engine. Basically, everyone who buys a click engine is going to then have access to all these other offers that they could pursue. So your offer, could be pursued. Does it work? Well, yeah, it does work. I was introduced to the click engine months ago and kind of put it off because I was skeptical, but I kept hearing about it. And so I said, let me look into it. And the people that were talking about it, I knew them. I knew, they're stand-up people. And they were getting some results. Now, this isn't, like crazy awesome results that you might get, but it does work. And so I joined yesterday. I submitted my 2 URL offers. And so those 2 URLs were added to the Rotator. Now, real quick, if we go back to the sales page, it's $4.90 every month to stay a member and to have your links in the Rotator. There is a one-time upsell offer, okay? So after you do, on the main sales page, you'll see this offer where you can get double the traffic for a one-time. This is a one-time price of $14.90. And so now you can have either the same, URL, you can have one URL that shows up twice in the Rotator, or you can have 2 links in the Rotator. And your only ongoing payment is the $4.90 per month, because this is just a one-time payment. So I want to make that clear. Sometimes people are confused. So you're only paying $4.90 every single month, and if you want to get the one-time opportunity to have a second URL in the Rotator, then you can do that right there. So, and then what will happen is you get added to Jeff uses ClickMagick as the tracking and Rotator, and so you get added to the Rotator. So here's one of my offers added to the Rotator. And you can see since yesterday, I've had 2 clicks from 2 different unique IPs, a tier 1 click and a tier 2 click. And then if we go look at my second offer, which is this one, you can see it's also had 2 clicks, 2 unique IPs and both tier 1. And I did get an opt-in today for this offer. So today I've had, 4 clicks and 1 opt-in. And so 25%, that's pretty good. That's, maybe not quite as good as a solo ad, but a lot cheaper than a solo ad. And so I don't know if this will happen every single day where I get, I may get more clicks and no opt-ins. I might get, it's hard to say. But so far, pretty good results for just my first day in. So does it work? Yeah, it does work. I've seen proof, and that's what finally persuaded me to join, and I just showed you the proof that it's working for me as well. So how do you make money with this? Well, You can make money obviously by putting your offers into the rotator and hopefully making some money from those offers. But a really great way to make money from this is by promoting the Click Engine as well. Because as you can see in the funnel here, you can get paid 50% throughout the funnel on every single product. So even if you just say sell 2 of the front end, where people are paying $4.90 a month, if you sell 2 of those, that covers yours. So now you're getting free traffic. And then, but the upsell, the $14.90 one-time offer to, or one-time payment to get a second URL shown in the rotator, that converts at about 50%. So you'll get a lot of those. Okay. So this is another great way to make money. Because the nice thing is Jeff has positioned this, quite well. There's free traffic methods. There's traffic exchanges and ad swaps and free banner sites and things like that. That really low quality traffic. Conversions typically tend to be very low. So it's free, but it takes a lot of time to set it up, to manage it, and the conversion quality is not so great. And then on the other end, you have the more traditional paid traffic. Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads, solo ads, which can be much, much, much more expensive. So you're paying a lot more, and the quality hopefully is going to be better than the free traffic. Maybe not, so it's still a little shot in the dark, but it's a lot more expensive. And so he's kind of positioned himself uniquely right in the middle. Because it's not free. You are paying, $4.90 a month for this traffic. But it is buyer traffic. These people have all bought the Click Engine, so they pulled out a credit card and they ran a payment through it or PayPal and they purchased. So these people have bought and they probably are going to buy again. And so it's qualified traffic and that it is true 100% buyer traffic. Is it as good as other paid traffic? Maybe, maybe not. Little hard to say, but certainly a lot better than using traffic exchanges and safe lists and things like that. And so much, much better. And it's hands off also. You don't have to go and manage the traffic exchanges or manage the safe list type of thing. So to me, it's a pretty cool idea. I like it. I'm excited to continue to see how it does. But I want to give you the full review, the full demo, the full tutorial, so you understand exactly what you're getting. So you understand exactly how it works. And if you find it helpful, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Check it out. I think for the price, it's definitely worth picking up and giving it a try. Give me a thumbs up, please, if you like the video, and subscribe so it can reach my goal, and so you can also get notified when new video content comes out. Thanks so much for watching.